Ginger lemon honey. This is a refreshing tea. We are going to show you how to make it on Eat and Be Eaten. On our channel, we are on a journey to discover everything we can about the food and food culture of Hawaii. Check out our videos on kalua pig, poke, and more. This is Eat and Be Eaten, Hawaii. So this is a simple 3-ingredient tea that is extremely satisfying and refreshing. The ginger and the lemon and the honey form this really nice triad. So I'm using Meyer lemons. This is a tree I planted 5 or 6 years ago. And as you can see, it's already in its second season, fruiting nicely. So that's the nice thing about planting citrus. Unlike other fruit trees in your orchard, they really start to give you fruit after just a handful of years. I first found out about this tea when I was traveling in India in the northwest, and it was a peaceful, relaxing green hill country. I was staying at this lodge and tried this tea, and it is something that I've always remembered. So I'm going to pick a Meyer lemon. They are ripe when they still have some green on them, when they're coming right off the tree. And for honey, I'm using local honey that my mother-in-law harvested from her Top Bar honey hives just down the road. And if you guys want to see a series or a video or even a series on Top Bar honey production, let me know in the comments below and I can make that if there's interest. So then I'm going to split my lemon and take ginger root, the ginger I just got from the store. I don't have any growing. And I slice it thin into slivers so that you have a maximum surface area exposed, and you boil it for as long as you want. The longer you boil it, the more intense the bite of the ginger will be. You definitely want to boil it long enough for the water to turn a nice gold copper color, which is, takes just 5 minutes. And then you're going to let it cool a little bit after it simmers, and then add it straight to your cup. And then the lemon juice and the honey you'll add directly to your cup. The lemon juice, if you boil it, it tends to lose its intensity, so just add it right at the end. A nice round spoonful of honey does a nice job of rounding out the tea, and the combo of the bite of the ginger with the lip smacking tart of the lemon juice and then the sweetness and roundness of the honey creates an amazing combination. It's the kind of drink you could sip on all day long. So give it a try, let us know what you think of it, and as far as the amounts are concerned, really it's up to you. I like to go in with half a lemon and a nice spoon of honey for a glass. Alright, this has been Eat and Be Eaten. We will see you guys next time. Aloha.